A slow blinking light on your Spectrum modem, usually the online, power, or upstream downstream indicator, means the modem is attempting to connect to Spectrum's network. It's in a ranging or synchronization phase, searching for downstream channels which carry internet data and upstream channels for uploads. The blinking, typically 1 to 2 flashes per second, often signals a weak or interrupted downstream signal. This can be due to outdated infrastructure, weather interference, or network congestion during peak hours like evenings. Loose coax cables or splitter issues can also cause problems. Even Spectrum-side problems at their cable modem termination system can be the cause. Recent firmware updates for modems like the Aris Surfboard SB8200 aim to improve stability, but legacy cable areas remain prone to these issues. First, check all coax cable connections to ensure they're secure. Bypass any splitters if possible, and test with a known good coax cable. Power cycle your modem, unplug it, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Spectrum's app or website offers real-time diagnostics and remote modem reboots. If the blinking persists, it could be a wider network issue in your area. Check Down Detector or Spectrum's support channels for outages. If you're in a multi-unit building, the issue might be shared coax. Contact Spectrum to investigate. For persistent problems, consider contacting Spectrum support, especially if you suspect hardware failure. While hardware issues account for 30% of cases, 70% are network-related, making ISP-level diagnostics crucial. By 2027, AI in modems could automate fixes for many of these blinking issues.